Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this neutralization question. It says a 25 ml sample of HCl is neutralized completely by 20 ml of 0.50 molar sodium hydroxide. What is the concentration of the HCl solution? So you can go ahead and try this and then continue watching to see which of the options would be the correct answer. The first thing I would do when solving this is to write out the chemical equation. Very important, okay? So HCl is reacting with sodium hydroxide. So we're going to have HCl plus NaOH to give. Now, this is also a double replacement reaction, which means that this hydrogen will replace the sodium combining with OH, and then the Na will replace the H combining with the chlorine. Na will combine with Cl in a 1:1 ratio because Na has a +1 charge and Cl has a -1 charge. So that gives us NaCl. And then the HOH is the same thing as H2O. So this will be our equation. The next thing you would do is to balance this chemical equation. So if we check hydrogen, you have 1 + 1, that is 2. So that's 2 hydrogens over here. Chlorine, 1, 1, sodium, 1, 1, and oxygen, 1, 1. So that means that this is already balanced. So we don't have to do anything to it. The ratio of acid and base is 1:1. Okay, in this case, the formula we will use is simply MAVA equals MBVB. If this ratio were to be either 2:1 or 1:2 or 3:1 or 1:3 or 2:3 and so on, if it is not 1:1 ratio, make sure you add over Na over NB, where the Na is the mole ratio of the acid and NB is the mole ratio of the base. So this is very important. If you solve it without the Na when it is not 1:1, you're going to get a wrong answer. So, but in this case, since they are 1:1, MAVA over 1, MBVB over 1 does not make any difference. And that is why we're not going to use this for this particular question. Now, the next step is to identify our MAVA, MBVB in the question. It says here 25 ml sample of HCl. HCl is your acid. So this is the VA, okay? Then it goes on to say, neutralize completely by 20 ml of this concentration of sodium hydroxide. Now, sodium hydroxide is your base, meaning that the 20 ml is the VB and the 0.50 molar NaOH is your MB, the molarity of the base. Now, just for those that don't know what M means, M here is molarity, which is the same as molar concentration. In some countries, they would rather use C, the same thing. C is concentration as well, okay? Molarity and concentration are the same thing. So we're going to then go ahead and substitute these values into this to solve for the unknown. And what is our unknown? This question is, what is the concentration of HCl? So our unknown is the Ma, the molarity or the concentration of HCl. Ma is our unknown. To solve for that, divide both sides by the Va in order to isolate it, okay? So this is what you have. Therefore, our Ma is equal to MBVB over Va equal to, our MB is 0.50 molarity times VB is 20 milliliters, divided by 25 ml of the acid. Now the mLs we cancel out. When you multiply 0.5 times 20 divided by 25, that gives us a 0.40 molarity. So the correct answer to this question is B. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow me for more videos like this.